Welcome back, One Nation family. One Nation stands alone. Shoot we are shoot like Karl Malone. What me say? Shoot we are shoot like Karl Malone. Shoot we are shoot to the star. One Nation stands alone. What go on? How everybody I do? Welcome back to another video, It's Tuesday afternoon. So, you don't know what to do? Just go and do the do. While I sip a little of my water. My favorite drink, But it have to cold though. Them say room temperature are the best, but if me ever drink room temperature water, make me feel bad. My water, and it can't chill, it have to cold. Yes man, the best wine you can ever drink. Wanna do? Like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. And please to watch the ads, continue to support both of my channels, Speakmindent Entertainment. And if you have not yet subscribed to Life is a Mission TV, just go right over there, go subscribe right now. Life is a Mission TV. So if you're over here, so, and know says Life is a Mission TV is my channel also, go over there and subscribe. You get a different side of me over there. Cook vlog, indoor, outdoor commentary, drama, entertainment, newscast, and the big one to come, the adventure when we are going to go to some sightseeing and some cook on the river, seaside, up in the hills, in the bush, all about, and even on the roadside. It is to come. Alright? So go subscribe. You understand? It come like you don't want to see Granny. Somebody even not talk about Granny no more. Granny said she didn't want to come neither. So if you even run out now, through the seat I touched last week, she didn't even have no vibes again. Because I go on like, I don't like her. When she not there, I want to ask her. I know she come and say she want to go in the 2 weeks. And she asks her requirement for come go in the 2 weeks out of 3 where she have. You understand? I know. So she says she didn't have pay on her mind. And remember in the comment section, you have Tamika Douglas TV, Life with Gabby and Chevy. Go hit the subscription button over there, the link over there, it's easy to find. Just click the link, where you see like a blue writing there, each one of them is a link. I'm gonna make sure separate them. Bam, subscribe. Bam, subscribe. Alright? Remember me saying One Nation. And One Nation stands alone. Shoot we are shoot like Karl Malone. Alright. Anyway people, me come. Me see Curly run out pan the little woman in the country there. Where the next where our neighbor rush her out a roadside, the boy. What's she name? That's hot. Mama mix. Adasa. Yeah, something like so. Yeah. Curly, I defend her pum pum. Curly, I defend her man. Curly say if you stop watch her. Curly say she wanna know why you are watch her. That. You have to stop watch the woman pum pum. Curly run out sir and say she wanna know why this woman continue to watch her pumps. In this video people, you don't know Curly style. So I put on a guard. I go see if I can draw with the phone when time to reach it, but everywhere where it reach me I go can't remember. Cause when she come out with fear rapidness, she not just come. Bam, 1. Bam, 2. She go like a machine. You understand? So basically, some of them might get you, but me just put on a guard. But you come out, if that's a boy, she not come out that hot still, because I don't know if further down in the video, because I think the live was like 2 hours hard. So I don't know if she come out that hot. But she come out. Anyway. Look at her. Curly come out in defense of her pumps and her man, and she carrying out her man because she said Adasa just up in her business like cool lady, and her she just Adasa just going like she a water so. You understand? Yes.
What is going on? Miss say, let me tell you something. I don't know who you is. But
you know the woman, man. Boy, you don't know.
But you know who is.
So you know say street side she sell pan. You don't know who, I don't know who you is, but me not call your name. But you will know yourself. And you still have to have a street side woman sell pan. You know the woman and you know her name. But you say you not give the woman no. You know knowings. But when you come talk and knowings you give her.
You have all person. You don't have no business if you address me. because I sell you self on roadside. You is a market stall woman. You is a woman, you're underprivileged. You're not in a no position to talk about me.
No, Marcia, me have to stick up in there, sir. Me have to stick up in there, sir. Marcia, me can't tell you this. Because me grew up on that, Marcia. When you come out like you come criticize the people, them do them look weird on the street side, on stall. Marcia, them set of people, they are the most ambitious set of people you can ever find in any business. Me, speak my mind, can't tell you that. Those set of people are the most ambitious set of people you can find in any business right now in Jamaica. Well, I should have said back then, I don't even know about now. But let me tell you this, you know much of them street side vendor, they picnic come out to be lawyer, doctor out of the street side there, so. Half of the little stall where you see them up, they see the little chapal where you see them spread out around there, so. Marcia, had that pay them picnic school fee and college fee, Marcia. You know have them the ambition, the Marcia. 40 years in America, Marcia as an American citizen, you know show them the ambition, the Marcia. So don't come out here, come discriminate and bring down no street side vendor, Marcia. Because enough of them street side vendor, you have them big house out of the same stall the way you see, Marcia. Show them partner and put them money together, Marcia. Them no got Red Lobster, Marcia. Them no got sandals, Marcia. Them no go on a vacation, them no go Paris, Marcia. Them no go England, them no go Germany, Marcia. Because them they look ahead of the future. Them try and make sure if it's set for them future, them not wait upon the future. You understand? Them set them own future and not try to wait on it and say, okay, if I spend this $1 million on floss today, next month or next year I will get it back just the same way like how I get it now. That's the future we all look for. Them not do that. Them have the 1 million, them prepare for them future. So if them future come and it come bad, them did already prepare. If it come good, so be the case. Unlike you, Master, so don't come out here come discriminate. No farmer street vendor where you see yourself because them have more ambition than you know. Them have them big house, all 3-4 house right now out where you see them a sell this or whatever them a sell. You know what them have them picnic as me say a lawyer, doctor and all kind of sitting nurse, teacher. We had that up to what day recently, sometime in the last year. You know, see the woman a show your daughter we a graduate with her big diploma. I forgot her in a what. The little girl used to left her Huey and come at evening time, come help her mother at the stall. And she never shy, she never shame, not shame, never in her game. Because she knows that it send her go to college, it send her to school, and it send her go to college, and it make sure her reach and can graduate with something in her life now. So Marcia, now come here, come say that. You know what of them people that downtown, them picnic well off in her life and tell them to stop and them not stop. Because them turn and look upon them and say, stop? You want me to stop? At this send you go to school. At this make you can achieve what you have now. So why me if you come stop and come sit down a yard? If it depend on you? No. This is my life. This is how me know all my life. This is how me want to do. Me not stop. So man say don't come out here come discriminate Eagles. I one of the worst thing you can ever do. I one of the worst set of people them you can ever go at and go against in a life. Eagles, them small eagles there. Don't do it, Marcia. You want to see Jamaican walk on the street and can't walk in peace. Them use ice and stone you. Don't do it, Marcia. It's not a good look. You understand? Because right now, despite you have a van, and that you decide for doing a life now. Drive around and park up and sell. It not make a difference. The only difference is you have a mobile, the people them static with a stall. So what the difference, Marcia? How long in a business you have a shop front, Marcia? You try one to port more because you don't expect Planka Nation wave and it not work out. You have to shut it down because you can't pay rent. And you have the same common things where they all about in a wholesale downtown or sell for high prices. When it downtown and all about sell for cheap prices. You feel like people that will come buy that and support your Marcia. At Jamaica, you them Marcia, the people them know everywhere the cheap things them there. So if you come with cheap things, you have to can compare with the price where it the downtown for. And I want to tell you something. A man you prefer no say it a sell downtown for $40, you a sell it for $50, and him take a bus go downtown go buy it for the 40 and him not check the bus here, him not check the time when him go waste, him not check so when him reach downtown him go thirsty and him go want a bag juice. So when you check the levels and do the maths, it costs him more than him to run out of the scheme over Portmore this and run in a year plaza this and go upstairs and go a year shop and go buy it and go back and go drink some ice water. Him not look on that. Him want look on it say you sell for 50 and it downtown for 40 and him go down the feet. So all of them cheap the way they have in a year store, you look at one storefront where you're walking up and feel like say, okay, you can raise price up here. So the people in Jamaica know all the cheap things them, all the fake things them, all the new and good things them. So don't come out here come go on like say all the days of your life you sell you have a shop front. You don't have a shop front, you're worse than the woman we out the road sell because in a year house you sell. You understand? It's just that your customer don't visit your house. So don't come out here come bring down no igla. Go ahead. Why you too? Part of my life at that school me, iglaring. When my mother there Salt Lane and Spanish Town would sell right side of the bakery. Where the man them did come analyze the Chinese them all the dog and set the place ablaze. Right there so. We carry right back around to Lizard Town. Round the back part of Tivoli Garden. Right there so. My mother used to sell. When me left basic school and come at infant school and come at this some sit down there so boy. And she said, Sonia, get eye for me them soon come. And she run gone around there so go and buy something where she not have, or she run gone so go and do some other business and she go and chew a partner. Man said, don't do that. You're out harder. You smell like baby bedding. You're out harder, man. You're rank. But you come going like you want to discriminate Igla. Don't do that. If you adjust Dasa, you adjust Dasa. You don't come out here come discriminate Iglas. Oh.
So you try this and walk about me. Walk and go about your business. I don't know where you sit up on my page and watch out me and my man for. Who want me and who not want you? Not even a mongrel dog on the road of Jamaica don't want you. Not even a mongrel dog on the Jamaica road don't want you. So let me tell you something. Don't call my name in your mouth and go find something blog about. Me not even a call a name because me not give you no knowings. But since you're over here watch me.
But for you come on your page and you talk, the only person who persons wouldn't know who you're talking unless it's somebody who knew over here. So. And at this me telling you, you're not give somebody no knowings. Better you say me just not call your name. You're not word for me call your name in my mouth. But don't say you're not give no knowings. Because once you come out here on a topic, or come with a subject, whatever you want to come with, Marcia, and you started to speak, everybody is going to know who you're speaking to or who you're referring to. And right there's so annoyance you give the person. So if you not decide to get that's enough annoyance, you're not supposed to even come out here and where she talk about you. I saw you not give people annoyance. But better you say just now call me your name, because your name no word call in my mouth, but I can address you. But you give her annoyance. At this present moment you're giving her annoyance.
And I watch me and man sit down and eat dinner. And you have all to say what you want to say from where you don't want to say. And I watch out my sheet right now. I can tell say, you dirty woman, you want one of my fucking sheet them to go up on your bed right now. Me not ask you. You want one of my sheet them to go.
You just feel like say everybody I live low life like you in a life, you know. That's how you stay in a master. Especially we were on social media. You don't know nothing about we, just like how you say we don't know nothing about you. But we more if we know about you than you know about us. I mean they have to pick up in a body and know people. But you know, you don't know my style. Me just go speak it as it is. But me they have to pick up that's a cause. You know, me tell you somebody have to come at her one time already. You understand? I say she kind of flip her script now and I'm like she hold on the branch over here, so you know? Yeah. You understand? But me I say, me not there have to pick up in nobody. Me just there have to talk. If say something, me I go come out and me I go rups. And if Marcia said, me I despite the two of them. But when me I say Marcia, you just feel like say everybody in a social media I live low life like you. As me say, you say nobody don't know you, don't know you. You say the woman come from Jamaica. She don't live in America, so she know about you. So all you know about the woman of Jamaica? That you say you know she should have want one of your sheet now. Your sheet them they all over in the Syrian and the Chinese shop them throw down Marcia. All you come and go on like your sheet them is special Marcia. Or that you are a designer and this company make this sheet special for you, like come and see you come and talk about. See it here? But no nobody don't have them pattern here. See it here? Nobody have these pattern. And look upon them here. I want to with this company, them always thinking of making different patterns. So wait, the one them when you get, or you alone get them. The other people will buy and sell, no buy none. Or you alone get them. You understand? And poor, you know, so them they all about in the Chinese shop, them throw down, I just you for find them. And that's just the difference now. You might find them where people don't have the time to go look for them. So when them see you with them and like it, them just buy it from you. Because people don't have the time to go hunt it. So when you hunt it, that is all these type of things sell, you know. And make Uno can sell it for an extra $1 more than what it really sell for in a Chinese store, you know. Because a man don't have the time to left work and this and that to go hunt it and go there. So enough people don't like the Assin and the Justin there for going to the town areas to go buy nothing. So when them see they come and pass with it, him know a $50 feet, but look man I say 70 and I walk him a walk and sell. Nothing wrong you pay him feet because you have to drive, go or take bus go, or you ride in the Assin as me I say, and you go get thirsty. So you just buy it from him. Some man say, I don't make it look like, say, boy, your sheets are the best qualities in the world, or your sheets are designer sheet where you alone sell it. Marcia never bless designs. Okay? It's the world design, not Marcia never bless designs. Where we know, say, only you have these designs. Come on, Marcia. Get a hold of yourself. And everybody will live low life like you. A company will look for live your low life. And as we say, we see your life where you live because you put it out here in a phone. Everything you put out here in a phone, and when the people them come and talk, you have problem with it. You go to the little man now, you can't able to show the man. So what you have that video for? And you have the raw speed phone right up in your little cleavage just because you want to show breasts sexy, look how breasts clean. That you want to show in a big old woman like your grandmother. We soon walk with tick like myself here. A young girl Magdalene you want just because you want to come proof on social media and prove to people, oh you look nice, oh you look good. Clothes make you look good, you don't make clothes look good. You understand? And are you supposed to make clothes look good? Clothes are supposed to make you look good. I saw me know it.
Up on your bed right now.
You in a car eat ice cream, 2 cone cream, yeah, cheers, but you can't show on the face. What the sense? It don't make no sense. Are you give the people them things to talk? And when the people them talk, you have a problem.
Your lamp don't have no oil in it. My one full of oil. So before you talk about who want who and who tell me sweet word and which man I work, what time shift man I work for, who don't want work, you and none of your business. If it's my pussy and me want to give up my pussy free, it's not your pussy. So why you worrying about it if me want to give me pussy free? And if man don't want to tell me sweet knock into my ears hole, then it's your pussy? Are you near Lincoln, man? Me never know say you push me.
And you just sit down on the rotted name you for your one name called Taylor Campbell. And when the next one you just call me, you remember the next one. You have so much name. And through your love freeness, you hold on upon the one where the freeness come.
But the 1973, me never know I wish. I don't never 1972 in a 72 type of 72 when you go lie down I impregnate my mama. Me know say me a straight up. The jacket cut for fit. You understand? Me look just like my mama. Me that my grandmother. Lincoln Hammer. Me look just like my daddy. All we have the same little flat nose. So me no know how you.
So you look like your mama and you look like your daddy. Yes, me know it's possible. But that is not one nice scene, Marcia. Because if you look so, and you have a mixture of your mama and a mixture of your papa looks. Marcia, you know say, you almost turn a zoo resident. How will the Rasta this? Because Marcia, if you look so, I know your father looks alone you have. I know your mother looks alone you have. And both of them combine where you say you favor your mama, dead stamp your mama, dead stamp your papa. So your mama favor your papa and your papa favor your mama? Me know country life most time them say you always have a whole heap of family. You understand? In a country life. I wonder if I one of them this. Because if you favor for your mama and you favor for your papa and you look so man, say you almost turn a zoo resident, you know. I don't know what I mean in time I say zoo resident. Man say almost turn a zoo resident to Kakaklat. No sir, this not right. How with the rasta? Man say, are you a talker? No, me and me say nothing. Me no know nothing. Me no know nothing about you. Jamaica, me live, you live in America. And me no know your country where you come from and you talk about it.
All up in my business. Me no understand. What you know about me? You live America?
You make sure know about you. Social
Yes,
media you
question. You
come
live
from.
America?
She not have to live
But
America.
you live all the way in Jamaica. We are up in my business for? Eh? Where you up in my business? Where you sit down and watch me for? Me the Hollywood? Eh?
You look what
Me
people
want
you're
to
watching
the
on social media. The amount of people you're watching on social media, master. Come on. Stop that. Stop that. You watch out the amount of people you watch out and come on your platform, come chat, master. This is what social media is for. You can't reach a Hollywood, so shouldn't expect you for that Hollywood. Shouldn't expect you for your take wood. You understand what I say? But no, they are Hollywood. Because you're not a movie star. But she expect you to take. You understand? Oh, you understand? Yes. That's why she come attack. But you take where now benefit you. Because the man, they have no way to put you up. You just have box. Yeah, we never see plastic bag blow up on the roadside yet. This minute the breeze blow it on this gate and it itch on the gate. And the breeze take it from another angle and it blow off and it go down the road and it go boom and blow up on another gate. And so you blow around in our people yard, you know, and people place, you know. And you have a man where you say you have this man you have to ear and hard where we just recently, few months ago, see this man you coming at the picture. Marcia. So something wrong, we don't understand what is going on.
No way you sit down and watch me. If I did I tell someone or someone watch me? Me want to know if I want to tell you how much time I tell us I'm in a pussy. Who sit down and watch me for? Who not see a man me have? Whether I want to spend Sunday with the other woman and spend Saturday with me, well at least make it in time. Did you get any? If you want to tell me sweet nothing to me years old and me want to give him free crutch and him only, then is your pussy? You ain't getting none. You have none to carry out you? Come on social media and show me a man where carry out. You can't even.
But Marcia, you're not showing a man where carry out. You're not showing any man where carry out, Marcia. Come on. Be real now, Marcia. Which man you show you carry out? Be hand and foot? And we ear vice? Your man cute. Your man look good. Your man nice. Your man chopped in. And all these things. Are you alone to see it? So if you want proof to social media, all of them things that you say, you don't show your man. But at the same time, you not show your man a brag. So the people are going to talk.
I afford to buy a blood clot burger. Much less a tasty spatty. So you tell me no. You can't chat nobody?
Nobody at Jamaica don't know nothing about you because you live a foreign, but you live a foreign and you know about people. Judge people by their looks and what them do for us.
And according to the statistic,
Statistic. Where the Rasta jadis. Statistic. Me think a statistic. Me never know statistic. How many Rasta? And this is how many I tell people about them can't pronounce word. Father God, if you're not busy, come teach me something there. Class close? Oh, alright, sir. Class close. What time? Evening class? 6 o'clock? Alright, here? Which part of heaven again, sir? Oh, from another bad mind side, sir. I will come, sir. Oh, far from the jealous and the bad mind and grudgeful side, sir. Alright, sir. I will come. Alright, sir. I will be there, sir. Evening class, 6 o'clock, sir.
And him can't spend the days off them with me. That means me a number 3, me a number 4, me a number 5, as I say. That means me a number 1 high up in the ranking. If me can't pick him up from work and me and him gone out my business and go about my business.
Now use the man, I use your man.
Me hope they up there.
I use the man, I use you know, because you said this man having big, spacious, nice car. And you have to pick him up from work. Carry him at work, pick him up from work. And at no time, say for instance, you might try, because you know some people, you know, for real, especially in a yard, you know, they might work at one place. And this is a reality now. Some fool, some sensible. Because you know people watch you and count the little way you earn and them feel like say boy, through your work you say you know work 120,000 a week. You're not supposed to have certain things. Them don't know other sources where you get your things from and get nothing from. And them not feel like say boy, them feel like say through your work. And everybody who work have to work, you know. But some people just like to be independent and feel independent. Just as I said, there's a lot of eagles downtown where them kids have it like that. One instant in a year, I tell them about a certain prominent producer in a Jamaica where my wife, mother, I sell down a big tree, button and zip and them sitting there and them tell her months, years, on top of years, leave that, done with that. And them can't tell her that, she do it same way. And if you force them to do it, you know what's going to happen, them short, them time I go short, because them I go fret. So I know everybody where you see out there, so a man goes to a woman and work 120,000 and him a drive a tortious car. We agree. He might not want to drive it to work because he don't want boss to feel like him a mingling and feel money or something. But what me I say, even when your man not work, him can't tell you park your vehicle and you're going to him drop top, flap top. You understand? I'm going to lie down and kick back and him a steer or you a steer him and a drive. You don't want to feel how an tortious vehicle feel. You just want the big old tough what? Islander limited. Unlimited. You just want that every day. So your man's tortious vehicle carry go stay parked till the valve them and all kind of rubber start rotting. But your man this and your man that and your man have links a yard and your man have a this and your man, you think your man a punk? You think my man a punk? A big tortious car and your man never carry enough him carry drive one day. Not even upon a dress down day. Wanna go out? Wanna change vehicle? You think you can't fool nobody in a phone? You can't show your man, so nobody talk about nobody man in a phone.
That means me hope there. That means the pussy good.
And you can't keep a marriage.
Me don't know where you sit down and watch me for. Oh, she's telling lie. Talk about she treating man fit for Father's Day and she don't have no pitney with him and so me ask a question. And because she not go Sunday because man have to go spend time with the other woman on Sunday.
So that's her. So you say she a matey and the wife have the have the pitney have to get the Father's Day. Yeah, I saw the call go still. I read your man say. She read you up. Because remember, you know, if today a birthday, you know, woman on the side can't get today because it's going to cause problem. She have to get the pre-birthday day or 2 days before the birthday. But the birthday I can't fear one. The birthday I must wife fear the woman I yard one. Because as me say, if me ever give you on the side, that the day there problem me want in my life. And that would be also disrespect. You understand? That the day they have to reserve. And not just man alone. Woman stays at too. Woman will have them man on the side of the same thing them do. Then you can have your good man now and have a man on the side, ladies. And the man on the side get your birthday. Unless the man where the real man in your life is not around, in the foreign or somewhere, or is not available, then you can screech and go out with the man on the side. But the man a yard have to get that the day there. So if it want share, is either him a go share after, the man on the side a go share after birthday, or him share before birthday but not on birthday. And the same thing for woman, for man. So that's just a radio. She not really mean say I saw it must go. But if the man really have a woman, I saw it go. I know because he work on Sunday.
Because she said the man work how much days a week and spend either 2 days with her. What a way you now watch out my blood clot like.
How way you talk, I know when nobody say, nobody don't know how you talk.
What is it have to prove to on social media? That Marcia is a blood clot attractive woman.
Attractive
Me
what?
have man like bungle. You hear what I'm saying? Me have man like a rice grain when I run down this a girl. Me not ask you. How the pussy clot you think you got? You think say me want to go ugly blood
Run
clot
down you,
girl when you see
master.
me? You might have seen me looking separate way in person. When you come in front of me, you will be intimidated when put on my clothes side of you. And one blood clot is attracted girl this. I mean, if you have no flat belly, me not if you have no stiff breast, but me look good in my clothes. Me have a beautiful smile, great.
Clothes make you look good, master. As me said earlier on. Ask anybody, any woman in a social media, anyone of your friend. Are you fi make clothes look good? Clothes must make you look good. And I like a cheap and clean they make you look good. I mean now I go take the props there from you. Me talk it every day. You know if you take the little cheap and clean them and the color code and thing and yeah, it kinda carry off. You understand? But I know you make your clothes look good and the clothes make you look good.
Personality. Why you think so much blood clot woman jealous of me? In my life. Why do you think that? Why you think I get so
Marcia, all of them the man the way you're taking for your life, you're supposed to surprise them, you know. All of them the man the way you're taking for your life. You're supposed to surprise them. And that's why probably them must stay with you for too long. Them just go and enjoy themselves because them get in already. But sooner or later, them are going to feel like them get enough and them are going to go. Because there is nothing else to hold them. One, your attitude stink. Two, when them buck you, and it's like a snake, you know, or a lizard, you know, we can be camouflage. Yes, you're like a snake or a lizard that can be camouflage. So if them pass through the green grass, them just camouflage and become green too. So them look like the grass. If them go up on the tree where have that dark look there, then becomes a dark look. So it's hard to really make them out your fear look. So basically when the man them buck you and buck you in a little cheap and clean them, it's like a camouflage. So them get attractive to your looks. You know, you have on the big goggles them, yeah. And you know, them get attracted to your looks and all up and makeup and lipstick and stuff like that. But after them get in, Marcia, and it reach bedroom bully me and bedroom bully me and reach in that place there. And clothes take off. And that's why me say you know like do it in a light. You talk it on your live one time. Oh, you not do it in a light. You have a right for not do it in a light because it won't be a pretty sight. Not to mention when you reach all at the stage where that little something there for run out of your back. And you start. Me no want to see that the sight them answer. So you have a right if you don't want to do it in a light. But as me I say, when you come out of the clothes, Marcia, and the man them see how you look, Marcia, you will love come discriminate and body shame people, Marcia. And the man them see how you look, Marcia, out of clothes is a different sight that the man them mind change totally. Just come like some girl about them a party at night time. Them bleach out and them makeup up and through them have on the wig and them on them clothes them look so good that you draw for them. Young girl buck worse if it's all on one night stand. And young girl go home. And when you wake up and see girl take off wig and makeup froze off a girl face and girl out of clothes and daylight. And you turn. Worse if I tell you, you know what I didn't get left in a hotel because of that. When they wake up there is no man. Man gone. Yes man. Man gone. Man frightened if you know sir, that him going with last night. Because at night and she on her makeup and bleach out and she have on her hair and stuff. And you know say, that are the camouflage she most of. Yes man. Man wake and turn and want all the little morning piece there. You know that little morning ride are the best ride in that part of the thing there, you know. Morning ride. Nice. When you sleep with a woman worse when a woman will live with you. What sweet so like the morning ride. Them time the woman warm. And you know say sausage come out of fridge cold, so you want warm up sausage. So when you put sausage in a microwave and feel a warmness there, yes man. And when you mix the lemonade and feel it run out of the fridge top, yeah, and I come right down for come out through the hose, cause you know so the fridge where you press it sitting and the juice come out, yes man. And that run out at the nicest sitting that the morning, right? So when you wake up to take that the morning ride, you know, and take a glance over this and see who you really carrying last night, you have to take for yourself, man. So at that with you now, Marcia. That's why you not keep no money. I lie you tell about you there with that man you 1 year and hard, you know. All when this man you hear all them video, if him do listen them, him supposed to just laugh within himself and say, Lord, she lie, man. Now me know why the people them at you on social media can be a liar come tell. Because you can't have this man over 1 year, Marcia. And I just recently, probably over 2 months now, this man you come to prominence in a phone. The only thing you can't tell we say are the same man this we move from foot and Ghana and now. But we only used to see foot. When you have your foot lift up and feel foot and you rub your foot and a massage. All them sitting there after the camera right now. After the camera, you do them sitting there because you want to give people things to talk. And when the people them come out come talk, you still have a problem. How you do it, me no know. You want to give the people them things to talk. And when the people them talk, you come out come have a problem. You know, keep your private life to yourself. No, because you want to expose it. Because you want to give people things to talk. Because you want it to be content. And then when it be content and people talk, you come out of a problem. But Marcia, as me say, that is the reason why most of the man them not stay with you. Because when you come out of your camouflage, which is your clothes and your ear and sitting on them see the real you, or when you're waking in the morning, not a pretty sight.
But jealousy and hate. You think I get jealous and hate because I'm too can't see them? I make me big belly and whatever because I'm attractive woman. Me know how to speak to a man.
Wow.
Me know how to articulate and me know to compose.
Yeah, if you know how to speak to a man when you look a man,
and
yes.
I know the good, the bad, and the
Because I know
ugly.
him man look you, you look him.
You're fucking jealous of me. Nobody don't want you. So me don't know how I want to sit down every day but in my life. Then me ask you a question. Me and my friend go out for dinner. My friend not see me for over 2 weeks. And me go out. And if I want to pay for the meal, though, or when I pay for a meal, then if me want to pay for a meal, I want to go to a cheap restaurant, then what is that? The bill came up to $88. Then I'm money that for two somebody for them food?
Want to go cheap restaurant? You declare that now. Wow. I want to go cheap restaurant. You declare that now, Marcia. But when you did it on the live, cause when I go so boom, you know, somebody go so boom and send me and say, watch Marcia and Michael. And thing I'm going to so boom, I'm going to look and see what I go on. The first thing I see, the phone up in her stomach, I come like a writer, so she advertise. She can't advertise the face here, I just write her, so she advertise. I'm there and see her, she eats salad, and she's speaking to the waitress, and the waitress carry, and she push the plate aside like she don't want no more of the salad, and she said, you can eat as much, you get a lot, you know, you eat as much as you want. And then she come and she show you most of salmons, and some form of yellow rice with sitting. Something like so. And she show you where the man eat must say some ribs. I don't know if I pork ribs or whatsoever ribs. And she mag and she da go and like say tapa restaurant. So it surprised me now for you come and say I want like a cheap restaurant. Because at first when you do the live, you never make it seem like I want cheap restaurant. You make it seem like I want restaurant.
The bill came up to $88. Enough money that to buy food. And if me got a red lobster, that come up to more money. So you tell me now, a tour we eat, and first of all, before me make that man them me I got a restaurant every day. Do you know how much money I spent on restaurant 7 days a week in America? Eh? So you think say paying half of $48 for my friend, my man friend. I said we just said for Father's Day. It wasn't a damn Father's Day. It's a regular this is the reason why uno left lonely out there. Because you think about it, me I get straight to the point, because uno always want man to pay for things for uno. That's why uno don't have no relationship.
How will the Rasta judges? Marcia, what you say really sound right to me though? So why you never have no relationship for a long while, Marcia? So I know they can't the same way or you feel like take a break because you know see the man where you want. Make the people them not in a relationship. Or you just say what you say now to justify your actions.
Uno want man to buy uno drawers, uno want want a man to buy no soap for washing the crotch.
Don't you mean? And the reality like that. You can't every day come I walk me a foot like clothespin. Every time me wash, me know me have to hang out. And me can't put the clothes in on the line. Breeze too strong, so them a go blow off and it'll cost me to wash again. So me have to open a clothespin to put on the line. And every day you come, you walk me a foot like clothespin. You understand? And the man can't buy your soap not one time. By right, they're supposed to know, say boy, if him a get crotch, him know say boy, him have to play him part. Once you now hold tight pan crotch, and you give him crotch and him want crotch. Come on, him have to know say boy, look at things have to go on, look how small it is. We agree some of the women them can't satisfy. But once the man come and give something, take him on, cause soap have to buy. Unless he love thinking crotch, he love when crotch touch. He's a man who love touch meat. He love when mouth smell. So him like the smell. Me no like them the smell. Me no like them the smell. And as from me say, when a woman goes and lock her foot, my pocket, you know. You see, my pocket people, let me tell you from now. My pocket is a combination lock with a woman's foot. I saw my pocket stay. So you see, once a woman lock her foot, automatically my pocket lock. You see, when she open her foot, my pocket walk. It's a combination lock. So any woman feel like so she can lock her foot and then put her hand in my pocket, she make a sad mistake. Because her pocket lock too. So she have to walk my foot, for pocket walk. It's a combination lock. So man say once you have a woman and she give you chocho. Once a man have a woman and she give him chocho, he have to know say he have to give. But as me say, someone just want too much because someone book a man where I work say want $10,000 a week. I don't expect the man to find 11 goon or find the whole 10 goon. So what him gonna have to fee himself to go back to work? What about fee personal bills? Because probably you have the woman a yard where me can say, alright, me give the whole light and then me can get back bus safe to go to work. And you gotta make sure say you know, you take your hand and twist your hand and turn fashion because the money not enough. So instead of you give me lunch money if you go back to work, you know, so you provide things. You get up a morning and you provide a nice healthy sandwich where can serve me for one for serve me for a breakfast and at 12 o'clock me can eat another one and drink a juice and it more economical. You understand? You want outside woman and me go just take up the whole 10 gear. Me a idiot. Me a claffy. Me a clowny. I lie. Me a man. Me a woman fool. Oh, me never know.
Want man to buy on a pad, we don't want man to buy on a food, we want to eat, on a perfume, on a wig, and everything else. Even a false dick, we don't want man to buy.
So how you want to give the man the whole of your crutches and come on your platform and want your supporters them to pay for what him do? Because you come on your platform, you beg your platform to buy your hair. Who want to buy me a hair for my birthday? Who want to buy me a hair for my Christmas? Who want to buy me this? Who want to buy me lunch? Who want to this? Who want to that? Who want to buy me some balloon to decorate my house? But the man will use him sledge to tear down your wall. You not ask him. Feel like a cement to dress back the wall. You get what I say to you? You not ask him man will take him sledge to tear down your wall, you know. Feel like a cement in your platform you want. And you know, see it fit for ask him. But you see it fit for come ask your platform people them. But you see true them are idiot just like you. Because the man will give him sledge. Him not buy you nothing, you don't want him buy you nothing, but you want your platform to buy you.
If you don't share. Eh? You think a man want to be no man? They want somebody who is going to share also. I said the woman that watch me, oh, it's because he have another woman. She lie. And because
she lie. Am I style she because? Am I song she sing lie?
First of all, even if him did have a woman to spend it Sunday, me could even turn with him to spend it Sunday because I had to come back to work. Me had to come back to work yesterday to work my job from 3 to 9. So even if, because me take 2 days, me take Friday and Saturday and come back Sunday. So even if me could have spent it to him, I couldn't spend it because I had to come back to work. And he's at work. That man work every Sunday. Every Sunday. Go check back my videos them and see if that man don't work every Sunday. He work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, half day. And now Friday and Saturday. Left work 3 o'clock instead of 8 every Thursday.
Man, I think the last time I could have hear you say the man work Monday to Friday, you know. And it's only Saturday, Sunday him get off. Cause your man work, hard working man. I think during that same time the way you say you can't get no help to move out the things then because your man work Monday to Friday and whatsoever, and you find time, you find something to say about the other 2 days because you know people have a question. So why him can't sacrifice one of the days them when him get off and come help you? Which I was even saying the same thing. Him can't sacrifice one of the days them and come help you since you say him love you so much. And him tell you how much him love you. But me not gonna stick my neck out. But I could have swear you said the man work Monday to Friday, hard working, and him only get 2 days off. Well, probably I may mix up the days so I give you the benefit of the doubt.
And go back to work on Sunday morning. That's why me and him not go party. That's why I tell him say I want to go out, him say him can't go out. How is it that you, what the fuck you know about my business? You come on social media come and talk about man I spend time with him woman, man only tell me sweet word. Then me ask you a question, bitch. Man can't sweet talk. Do you listen to the way I talk? Get the fuck out of here, bitch. Do I look like this a ugly girl here? Look like man can't sweet talk me. Sweet talk who? You don't see my mouth. Me have to run things. Me is a ruler.
Listen to that part here, you know. I want to listen to that part here. Because she go as far as she go into her bedroom. And no woman not supposed to come say this on a public platform. And no thing say people with sense I got think certain way. Well, you don't have to have sense, because them was saying to say, boy, your mind dirty and smart. But I'm not dirty. It's what she say and how she say it. It's not what you say, it's how you say it. So I want to listen to the party when she reach in the bedroom and she say what she say. Alright, me gotta point it out.
It's either my way or the highway. Even if me telling all the time, even in the bedroom, you have to make love to me how I want it, not what you want.
Not what you want. Yeah.
So let me make it clear.
So basically, if she tell the man say, boy, go on at the cellar, him have to go on at the cellar. It's either her way or the highway. So man say, well, you try to tell me, say, because you come in like you like that something there, you know, when man go on at your cellar. Because to all you talk, you like it. You understand? You like it, but you don't like when a man just come to you with it raw. You have said it and say, that him want to do. You know, find fun that. But you want to know, say, when you have the man, and you and the man get together, and in the bedroom, you like the part there. When him get down and go on to your cellar, go move your cobweb. Yes, man, I move the roach egg, them each up in the corner of the cellar. Yes, man, you like that. So what you try to tell we say, Mr. Ethan, me ask you, me not say no. Me ask you if you Ethan. Nothing wrong with it a fee mouth. I know my mouth in borrow a fee one. But me just ask you, because since you come like you want to publicize something on social media, because I know the first you come out here and make that statement here, you know. And people questioning the statement you make. Me don't know if I Ethan I'm last name. Are you to tell me if I Ethan? Me don't know. But it look like him a go on to your cellar, me just a ask.
It's a ugly blood clot girl where you see so. The man can't sweet talk me. You think say me a rookie in this business, yeah? Me a veteran in this blood clot. You know I'm in a relationship. Me a 19 years old, straight up back till 34. Married for 10 years. And date on and off. Who you think you're talking to?
So why that 10-year man they gone? I say your husband for 10 years gone. And you married a man for what? 2 months or 3 months and him gone. You try marriage 2 times and the man them gone. And you have that like, good up something that you sell a clean. And good. And it tight. When you have to turn side, you can't just go in so. You have to turn side where you put your shoulder in first because we're tight. I saw your cellar stay, and them big what my cellar there. And you can't keep no man, master. This a man, you know, you come and tell lie about you there with the man from here and hard. And nobody never see you with this a man, yeah, for so long. And just a couple months ago, this a man, you come in at the picture. And you make it look like say, you and this a man is up and down all along for here and hard. And this is why I ask the question, is this the same man where you should show him foot the last time I rub you down? You understand? Is this the same man where it in the house down so, rat infested area? Because if I the same man, then we can say yes, a era hard. But I doubt it's the same man. You understand? You have Mr. Foot different and you have Mr. Hand different. It's not the same man. So you couldn't do with this man in era hard. Unless you take 2-3 man one time, answer.
The man, from me know myself, from me a 17-year-old me I work. My first job is from McDonald's, straight back up. No man can't sweet talk this a girl, and no man can't sweet talk independent girl. No man can't sweet talk me. From when I watch me over Facebook for much years, me I go by myself. And me I go a restaurant by myself. Sweet talk who? No man can't tell me nothing.
Nothing. No man can't tell me nothing.
One curly this. No man
One
can't
curly,
roll.
nothing.
Sweet talk who?
No man
Who me
can
talk
roll
to in front
curly.
of him? Sweet talk who?
Mad.
Sweet tell who nothing. Then me ask a question. Then which one am I say and which one are curly? A man can't come sweet talk. A man not treat me good, me fire that blood.
Straight. Straight, you know what man I look curly. So all you know for them man curly.
You know WhatsApp because my number is public out there. You're bright. You know how much man send me message curly me like you know, man say me like you. And who you think you're talking to? As ugly as
me say the camouflage when them see man say the camouflage carry off good still you know me not lie, you know man say. Hey, when you out there in the camouflage man, anybody that call to you, me not lie. Me give that props there with the cheap and clean them. And as me say, you know color code. Me give that props there. But man say are the camouflage. And this is why me feel like the man them now stay with you, because when you come out of the camouflage and them see your natural skin, looks and shape, damn, it's scary bad. It's like as a boy watching a scary movie. Night time you're watching a dopey show. Return of the Living. You understand? And when you have to go on the car them time there, you know, you're a boy, you know, most time I want in the yard, I want TV in the yard. Back in them days, and the whole of we pile up and watch it. Some man have to go next door I'm yard, some go around, so me could have to go on the back of the yard. And when me I go around there, me afraid. You worse if me go see all one black puss pan all the borderline pan the back fence. Them time the worst me turn back and me swear how me just left in a show. And they push that now. Because when you're a boy, you hear one whole heap of sitting in a man. Yes, master, then scared when they see you take off and see your skin only. Scared of you.
it's me easy. Me not ask him man to run me down. Me not ask him. Me very popular. Me a well-known girl. Who you think you're talking to? Eh? You ever see the type of man who me date in the past? You see how they act like a 10 fire tick?
Oh, you gotta ask if the people them see the amount, the type of man who you date of the past, how them act like 10 fire stick. And you have never showed those men. Eh? You boast about one man at Jamaica who have beamer, we give you beamer for drive when you come here. From me know you're not come here. I know how much back in the 80s that you talk about. Because me never ever see you drive no beamer yet. You understand? We don't know no man, master. You know, you can't show no man up front. All of the man them, we don't know. Me don't know if people know the husband them. The two husband them, but me don't know the man them, master. I mean, I think many people out there know them. So you gotta ask that question, master. If them see the man them where you date. You never show them. And seeing is believing. You understand? And then you can be blindfold also. Because like all you know, you blindfold most of the man them, you know. With the camouflage what you do, you know. The dressing out the road, which is your camouflage that to make you look different from who you really is. You know, you're out of your camouflage. You understand? So basically looks are deceiving.
I mean, I'm me fire them. Any man man what I have in my life and me fire them blood clot.
Most time man say that I him run with the woman. Most time woman say I she run with the man. Nobody now accepts her then left.
You're bright and out harder. Because you don't know if you treat a man. Yeah? Oh, because yeah, one of them no. Oh, and she buy food. She pay for food like says she like says and that. What you mean? You man a father? Eh? We just come on the telephone and say that. But regardless of that, if it was Father's Day, we would have gone said we. From me and man they talk over a year and a half at first we didn't see each other in a 2 weeks. First. And before that we see each other every week. I'm picking up at least 3 times a week from work.
And him having social
So
scare.
let me tell you something. Mind the business. All of a sudden, all of you can't look on a blood.
The people them will never mind them busy where is concerned, master. Cause you too lie. And you bring everything out here in a social media. You bring the truth, you bring the lie out here. And when you bring the lie out here, you talk today and you forgot what you said tomorrow. And you come and contradict yourself tomorrow with what you did say today. And it has proven that you're a liar. You understand? So not until you take your business out of social media and do natural blogging, vlogging, sagging, dagging. You understand? And take your personal business out of social media when you're supposed to in a social media. Because you can't come out here and talk about certain personal thing where your business is concerned, where your life is concerned, you know. But you must have your limit, you must have a line, certain things, you know, carry out here. Because you know, the type of person you is, you know, everything where you carry out here, people are going to run with it. So any little mistake or shakiness, people are going to run with it. And that you fail to accept. And you I give the people them things to talk. And you I carry your business out here. Nobody now knock your door and come peep on you. Nobody now trail you when you drive out. And you I carry everything come show people and tell people.
And all of a sudden, no come at about no man no want me. Man only tell me sweet nothing to be here. Let me tell you something about Jamaica man where you think I want like a ugly boy me chat to? Me ask that question. You think I want like a ugly boy me chat to?
Show them, Marcia. You can't just ask the people when you're not show them.
You think I want like a ugly boy me talk to?
You have to show the people them, Marcia. Show them to believe.
I am not giving him nothing. From me know myself, I never took up a dollar. From me know myself, Curly Marcia, sexy TT. I never take up not even.
Nobody now gonna know. You can't say anything.
And one big gift you ever get from me, and is a perfume.
I'm gonna see that the gift the way you talk about big gift, I go to turtle or feet. That the cologne they could have cost about $30 or $20. And you call it big gift.
Yeah? You think so me I eat that? Yeah? You think so me I eat that? You see thing about it, you know? You see who no use the mind man. Me no mind man. All the man them
we don't know.
Them take care of me. My husband take care of me straight away.
We don't know.
And pay the rent and pay
Talk is cheap. We don't know.
My money and go on vacation.
We don't know, Master. We don't know. We don't know.
The things, them nice things, them in the house. I might do to that cook. Buy the nice pretty curtain.
Cook? Leave that out tight. Leave that out tight, Master. Because it come like a tin mackerel and salmons you can't cook. Because I never see you cook nothing really yet where you know say, boy, it take time. Although still, I wouldn't know because if you even try a little mutton, a little ox tail and little this and little that, anybody can cook. But at the taste where it have, at the taste is what matters and what count. Because I go and throw the ox tail in a pot and brown it and cook it up and yes, it cook. But at the taste where it have for people who want to eat it. You understand? So the difference that. Anyway, speak my mind people. Marcia is back at it again. I know friends she back at it and I see something me I go talk. So big up on yourself. Want to know what to do? Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Down in the comment section you have Tamika Douglas TV and you have Life with Gabby and Chevy. Go and give them a subscription. It now costs you $1. No matter how much channel you subscribe to, it now costs you $1. And remember, you ask sorry to get it. The cash app is in the comment section pin. $ Life is a Mission TV. When you give me take the gift and give back to the needy and make up from where the little when me get a month time from YouTube and put where me can put. If me can help one somebody, two somebody, three somebody, that's it. Based on how it goes. Alright? Bless up on yourself. Thanks for watching. I don't know if you're going to go and get 2 videos today, but big up on yourself. I'm out.